and sight, and sound. Standards, attention. Standards, attention. Now all of you be ready for our national anthem. And sorrow, and sight, and soft, and sound,
Why are you passive? Void.
and strong. Standards, attention. Standards, attention. Now I would like to call respected speaker. Namaskar and very warm welcome to you all. As you all know, it's me, Sarah Bhandari from grade 8, standing here to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the living organisms and their shape and size. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this kind of a program that helps to increase the confidence level of the students. Now my topic goes like this. Cell is considered as to be the functional and structural unit of the life. Cell was discovered by the Robotuk in 1665 AD. Cells are very minor or of microscopic. The biggest cell is the ostrich egg. Cell takes the nutrients and turn them into the energy and get rid to the waste products. Thank you.
आदरणीय प्रधानमन्त्री उपप्रधानमन्त्री गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीहरू आज म यस वक्तव्य कलामा भाग लिन पाउँदा अत्यन्त खुसी छु र मेरो शीर्षक रहेको छ वृक्षारोपण। म मेरो वक्तव्य कला सुरु गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि यस वक्तव्य कला आयोजन गर्ने आयोजकलाई धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। वृक्षारोपण भनेको रुख रोप्नु हो। जमिनमा रुख रोप्नु नै वृक्षारोपण हो। पहिले वन जङ्गलको मात्रा धेरै थियो, तर अहिले वृक्षारोपणको महत्त्व दिन प्रतिदिन बढ्दै गएको छ। मानिस र रुख बिरुवाहरूबीच गहिरो सम्बन्ध छ। जन्मेदेखि नमरेसम्म रुख बिरुवाहरूले मान्छेलाई कुनै रूपमा सहयोग पुर्याएको हुन्छ। धन्यवाद।
All of you make your line straight. And side, and soft, and side, and strong. Standards, attention. Standards, attention. Now I would like to call our vice principal to give some information.
Thank you very much, Susmita Buddha. He is the house, she is the vice leader of house, Rhododendron house. Who is the leader? Srijal. Okay, I think they have made the routine. One day is the turn of house leader to conduct the assembly, and next one, vice leader. Cover up. You look front, everybody. Class 4 boys line, how is it? Is it straight? Class 6 girls line, is it straight? How they are standing? Anisha, we say, are you going to jump? Straight hands. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Sarvani. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Now check whether your line is straight or not. Straight your hands. We're keeping the hands a little bit down. Hands side. Hands up. Clap together. In the middle. More together. What are you doing? Very sound. Hands side. Hands down. Studies. So, your first evaluation test is going to be started from today. Class 4 and 5, you have got regular class, regular routine. Class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, their exam will be held in 4th period and last period. It means for 6 and 7, 4th period and 7th period, 8, 9, 10, 4th period and last period of coaching time. Remember. Class 6, Social Studies. Class 7, Science. Class 8, CMATS. 9 CMATS and 10 CMATS. It will be held in 4th period. And computer from class 6, health 7, science 8, social 9 and social 10. It will be held in last period. So you have to prepare accordingly. So you can read first 3 periods for first test and more 3 periods for second test. Is that clear or not? And class 4 and 5, please revise, practice and be up to date. And today we have got one birthday boy from grade 10. Do you know who is he? Okay, Aryan Shrestha. So Aryan Shrestha has come with very lovely dress. So are you ready to wish him Eastern way? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Subha Tava Janmadiva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. So, all Anupam family, entire family, we says Aryan Shrestha, SE batch 2080. A happy and prosperous birthday, and we wish for GPA 4 in coming ECA. You also wish same thing? Yes. Not only Aryan Shrestha, we wish for every student who are studying in grade 10 and who are going to appear in SE 2080. We hope everybody would deserve GPA 4 in all subjects and prove themselves. They are smart students from the smart school Anupam Vidyasadan. Okay, let's wish him from Western way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Are we loudly? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, may God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Aryan. Happy birthday to you. So we have got system to offer red tikka. So he has already got red tikka. Still, we want to put on his forehead. Now it is time to listen. The sweet speech from birthday boy, Aryan Shrestha.
Respected principal, teachers, and my brother, sister, and my dear friend. It's me, Aryan Shrestha from grade 10. Today is my birthday. Thank you for wishing me. I am very happy and excited. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, birthday is a wonderful day, and we can make some plans to accomplish for whole day life. For 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 50 years, then we can do something. We have to make plan and try to implement. Attention, cover up, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at it. I can hear rhythmic sound from this side only. Class 8, 9, 10, they are quite passive. Attention. Stand at it. Yes. Attention. Mass time. 8, 9, 10, no sound is out there. Why? Haven't you eaten food? Yes. Together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Adhikari, back him. 1, 2. 1, 2. Grade 10 boys, move forward. Let's now continue. 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2. Children, you read up with Santosh and Thomas. You can sit inside.
Nyai mo to lihat di kan, mo to lihat di dah. Kau sendiri mo.
Look very handsome.